Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are working on a 2020 Outback. Last thing we got left is this molding down here. We look at it. It's held on by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 clips.
You just use your foot?
Yeah, I just use my foot to push down. You don't have to. It's got a thin layer of double tape on here. And we'll put that back on when the body shop will clean it up, and that is it, gentlemen. Thanks for watching the channel today. Subscribe to our channel. I like the comments. If I'm doing something wrong, please let me know. Stay COVID free and have a great day. They're just ripping it over there, huh?
Yeah.